Hey there, furniture enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore the fascinating process of making a commercial sofa. From design to production, join us as we uncover the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into creating these essential pieces of furniture. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the process, let's talk about the importance of commercial sofas. These are the backbone of many businesses, providing comfort and style to hotels, offices, restaurants, and more. Crafting a commercial sofa requires precision, quality materials, and skilled craftsmanship to ensure durability and functionality. Step 1: Design and conceptualization. The first step in making a commercial sofa is the design and conceptualization phase. This is where designers brainstorm ideas, sketch concepts, and create detailed plans for the sofa. Step 2: Material selection. Once the design is finalized, the next step is selecting the materials. Commercial sofas are often subjected to heavy use, so durable, high-quality materials are essential. From sturdy hardwood frames to resilient upholstery fabrics, every component is chosen with longevity and comfort in mind. Step 3: Frame construction. With materials in hand, it's time to start building the frame. Skilled craftsmen use precision cutting tools and assembly techniques to construct the frame according to the design specifications. This step lays the foundation for the sofa's structural integrity and longevity. Step 4: Upholstery. After the frame is built, the sofa moves on to the upholstery stage. This is where the sofa truly comes to life as layers of padding, foam, and fabric are carefully applied to create a comfortable and visually appealing seating surface. Skilled upholsterers meticulously shape and stitch the fabric to achieve the desired look and feel. Step 5: Finishing touches. Once upholstered, the sofa undergoes a series of finishing touches to ensure it meets quality standards. This may include adding decorative elements, attaching legs or casters, and performing final inspections for any defects or imperfections. Attention to detail is paramount at this stage to ensure the sofa is flawless and ready for delivery. And there you have it, the fascinating process of making a commercial sofa. From design and material selection to frame construction and upholstery, every step requires precision, skill, and attention to detail. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of furniture manufacturing.